Hi, my name's Tige. I'm a freelance developer and I'm doing this video for the Get Leverage application. As I said, developer, my specialties are automation, CRM, integrations, REST APIs, those types of things. I consider myself a developer with real world experiences, which is to say I've run my own business as well and used CRMs, websites, and integrations for my own business and taught my own staff. So I consider that a bit different than maybe just a normal developer that's just always been in tech or development for their entire career. Rather than just go on and on, I thought I'd share my screen and I'll just kind of flip through a couple recent projects that I'm on and it would, I guess, at least validate some of the things I can do. So I'm going to just share my screen and just kind of take a look. So this is in WordPress. This is an example of a WordPress plugin that I've done. This is a custom payment gateway for WooCommerce, so a payment platform called Mint Payments. So here we are in a plugin, PHP code, and a few functions to get down to where we are doing the process payment, interfacing with the Mint URL, REST API, receipts, thank yous, refunds, checking the responses, those types of things. Kind of just to keep going with the REST API, this is a Postman application, and it's just showing the REST API. This one here is for Zoho, and we're just getting a list of sales orders, so we've got a REST API call up here, and down here we're actually getting the JSON object information back. And another one, this is the WordPress WooCommerce REST API. Again, just calling to get a particular order. That's in our URL here. And down below, we actually get that back in a nice JSON object. Those are just some real simple REST API calls and tests. This one here for same client, we'll actually look at better source code, to do that integration between WooCommerce and Zoho. There's another custom plugin, and looking at that one here, this is the add transaction. Again, we're going through, we've got the Zoho authentication token securely stored in the WordPress database. And then we're going through here building an XML object, and it's still version 1 API. We'll have to switch that to JSON. And then eventually building that up and passing it in through an API call. Let's see, one more just example. This is just a Zoho one. It's showing the deluge script. So this particular client has quite a few function calls within workflows and blueprints. So this is just an example of one. Conditional layouts that they have. Again, this isn't particularly difficult from a tech perspective, but the challenging part is that it's spending a lot of time like this and in conference calls with the client to actually determine the customizations they need to be successful. So in this case, it was for different, if a contact is a solicitor or a client or various other contact roles, we're changing the look of the contact record layout. Here's a look at their blueprint. So I designed this. They have a lot of requirements for their deal lifecycle, and going through here at each stage, we can nicely set email notifications, tasks, and custom functions. Let's see here. So I don't want to go on for too long, but that's a quick introduction of me, and I hope we can talk again and hopefully work together. Thank you.